Welcome to this Wiring Planner mini tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add labels to conductors and cables. These two lines here represent two conductors of a shielded twisted pair. And so in order to label them with the color and the wire gauge or other pieces of information, I'll simply select them both by selecting one and then clicking Control to select the other. And then I will right click, edit label properties, and here I'll select the gauge and the ID, which in this case is the color, and that places the labels. If I want to move them, I'll simply select one and then press Control and select the others, and then drag them to wherever I want. In order to label the cable, first I have to find the cable in the project. So I'll select one of the conductors and select right click and then click Find in Model. And this is the conductor I've found. So I'll go to the parent cable and then click and drag it onto the diagram, but before I release it, I'll press Control and then I'll release. And doing that shows this label dialog, and I can select the information that I want to show in that label. And this, of course, is the information that applies to the cable as opposed to the conductors in the cable. So I'll select the part number and click OK. And that places the part number on the diagram. I can move it into proximity so that it's clear what the part number is for. I can also change the color if I want. Maybe make it a blue so that it stands out